Welcome back to my channel. I feel like my videos are just getting scarier and scarier after each post, and I'm not sure what really to think. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these creepy videos. Also, I just wanted to start out by saying this video was inspired by GlamandGore on YouTube. I first went in with my eyebrow pencil and just traced out the shapes I wanted for the carving. Then I went in with my homemade scar wax and went over the tracings I made with my pencil. This step took me about 45 minutes. Some pieces fell off that I had to redo, and some pieces I just didn't like. The trick I learned for the pieces that would fall off was to apply liquid latex on my skin before applying the wax. Another trick is to apply a little bit of oil on your fingers, and it makes it a lot easier to rub out the wax and makes it look more smooth. You also don't want to use too much wax in one section, or it is more likely to fall off. After I created the face carvings, I then went in with Ben Nye's grease paint in the color Fresh Cut, and I covered my entire mouth, nose, and eyes with this product. One thing I love about this product is that it is super creamy and smooth when applying. I then took Ben Nye's thick blood and applied 2 to 3 layers of thick blood all over the grease paint. I love the pigmentation in the thick blood and how realistic it looks. Next, I used Ben Nye's scab blood and just added some more blood in the sections that needed more thickness. Finally, I took Ben Nye's stage blood and dabbed on the blood all over my face and neck. Warning, be careful when applying around the wax. Some of my pieces of wax fell off when applying the stage blood. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for your support and happy almost Halloween.